My feeling is undiluted, it's unreserved, because I'm so proud of the kids for the excellent effort they gave today. In fact, the whole season, and we pledged not to be defeated, and so was it. We are an undefeated champion for this year, and the kids really live up to their words. Well, there's a St. George's College formula that we use when we are at this stage, which I cannot divulge to the public. But I don't think the other teams handle it very well, and that is what we use to get the better of most of the teams that we played.
Well, you know, I feel good. We work hard on the training ground, so we just come out and execute.
Today you never got your opponents, Campion College, are looking hard. Tell us how it is that you were able to undertake and play the dominant.
Well, I give credit to my IQ and how much I know the game. So I go home, watch videos and practice, and that's what I did out there today.
And tell us about how you want to keep up.
Well, I love my team. That's all.
Well, we have had a fantastic season. We started from last year, 2022, and now we're in 2023, so the boys have had a long season. We played them in the Southern Conference and they beat us in a best of two, and today we came here with a different game strategy and we were hoping that that would have turned the hill for us. Unfortunately, that never happened, but it's basketball overall. Some of the things that we should have done right in terms of finishing stronger at the hoop and some turnovers that we have going down the line. Those cost us the game, and so all in all we are very proud of the boys. You know, being second in the island of Jamaica is no simple thing, and so we have to give God thanks. The chip fall where they may, and we are happy that we finished the season without any injury, and it was a good fought game. So we say congratulations to St. George's, and of course we look forward to the future, all being well, and we do it all over again.